Monday, the convention center will begin treating COVID-19 patients who are stable but still need help, while the outside portion will be used for people whose test results have not come back yet. Paul Dudley has more.
Lots of action both inside and outside the convention center as officials work to put the finishing touches on 2 field hospitals. The Morial Convention Center transformed into a field hospital. Starting Monday, COVID-19 patients who are okay to leave the hospital but not well enough to go home will be treated here.
You got to see it to believe it, to be able to do this in such a professional way, in a way that will isolate each of the patients and keep them safe as they're brought here is just pretty incredible.
Work is also underway outside the facility where up to 250 patients will be treated. Different from inside, these beds are for people who likely have COVID-19 but whose test results have not come back yet. It's important to keep the 2 types of patients separate.
If somebody with a negative test were to come in here, it's all patients with positive tests. So we would worry that they would become infectious if they weren't actually positive.
The goal of the 2 facilities comes as a way to ease pressure on local hospitals. There's been a surge, different than in other cities.
We are particularly vulnerable in Louisiana because we have so many comorbid conditions. A lot of diabetes, hypertension, obesity, renal disease, and it's difficult to look at the example of, let's say, Seattle and say exactly that that's what we're going to see here.
While the facilities are nearly complete, there is still a need for personal protective equipment. Masks and gowns are on the way, but not here yet.
We're in the same boat as a lot of states now where we are signing purchase orders with vendors and waiting for the supply to come in.
Again, the outdoor facility will be able to treat up to 250 patients. The indoor facility will be able to treat up to 1,000, though officials here don't expect that many patients on the very first day. That's the story outside the convention center. I'm Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News. Back to you.